and covalent radius. In the case of inert gases, as in neon, radius, not is radium, it is radius. So in the case of noble gases, as in neon, there is the effect of van der Waals radius, and in the case of other elements, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine, there is the effect of covalent radius. You will study in the class. And the van der Waals radius is greater than covalent radius. van der Waals radius कोवेलेंट रेडियस के कंपैरिजन में ज़्यादा होती है. So that's why the atomic size of neon is the largest comparable to the other elements, because all these elements are having the covalent radius, and the neon or the inert gas is having the van der Waals radius, and this radius is large than covalent radius. So that's why this is the reason the atomic size decreases on moving left to right in a period, but the inert gas, the size of inert gas is the largest one in the particular period. इस पीरियड में सबसे बड़ा साइज अगर है तो वो नियॉन का, बिकॉज ऑफ हैविंग द van der Waals radius, exceptional case, and all other elements are having the covalent radius, and this radius is larger than that of the covalent radius. स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं आप. नेक्स्ट, I rub it in a group. In a group. So again the example with group 1, alkali metals, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Just before we have seen the electronic configuration of these elements, alkali metals, it is having only 2 shells, 3 shells, 4, 5, 6 and 7 shells. So as we move from top to bottom in a particular group, the number of shells are kept on increasing. Number of shells kept on increasing, बढ़ती रहती है. Number of shells बढ़ती जाती है, and because these number of shells are increasing like this, 2, 3, 4 and look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 shells. So because the number of shells are increasing, so atomic size increases on moving from top to bottom in a group. So in a group, atomic size increases from top to bottom in a particular period. Clear? So although one more thing, although the nuclear charge is also increasing when we move from top to bottom, plus 3 nuclear charge, this is having 11, 19, again 37, 55 and 87. Nuclear charge is increasing, but the effect of this increasing nuclear charge is less than the effect of the increasing number of the shell. So on moving from top to bottom in a particular group, atomic size increases. The main reason is because of the number of shells are increasing one by one to the next element. So this is whole about the two atomic properties in the modern periodic table. What is the train variations? We have seen the train of first atomic property, that is the valency. Valency in a period increases 1 to 4 and then 4 to 1. In a group, all the elements having the same valency in the same group. Second atomic property we have discussed, that is the atomic size. On moving from left to right in a period, atomic size decreases, but one exception is there. The last element of the particular period, that is the inert gas, is having the largest atomic size because of the van der Waals radius. And in a group, moving top to bottom in a group, atomic size goes on increased because the number of shells are adding one by one. So this is all about the two atomic properties. In our next part, we will discuss the two more properties, metallic and non-metallic character. Okay, thank you. Best of luck. Have a nice day.